In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Google Pay 2025, step by step. If you're looking to use your Affirm virtual card to tap and pay in stores with an Android phone, this walkthrough will guide you from setup to checkout so your transaction goes through smoothly. First, a quick overview. An Affirm virtual card is a temporary card number generated by Affirm that lets you use your approved purchase amount wherever virtual cards are accepted. To pay in a store with an Android device, you'll use that virtual card through Google Pay, and you'll need your phone's contactless feature turned on. Before you head to the register, add your virtual card to Google Pay and turn on NFC. In Google Pay, tap to add a new payment method and enter the virtual card details from your Affirm account exactly as shown, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you see an option to verify the card, follow the prompts. Next, open your device settings and make sure NFC is enabled. This setting is typically found under Connections, Connected Devices, or a similar menu, and the switch should be on. If your phone lets you choose a default contactless payment app, set Google Pay as the default so it's ready at checkout. At the register, look for the Google Pay or contactless symbol on the terminal. It usually looks like a sideways Wi-Fi icon. If you don't see it, ask the cashier if the terminal accepts contactless payments. When you're ready, open Google Pay and swipe to select your Affirm virtual card so it's the active payment method. Hold the back of your device near the card reader. The NFC antenna is typically near the top or middle of most phones, so adjust slightly if the reader doesn't pick it up immediately. Keep the phone steady until you feel a vibration or hear a beep. If the terminal asks for a payment type, choose credit even though you're using a virtual card. That ensures the transaction runs over the correct network. On your phone, you'll see a blue check mark once you've paid, which confirms the tap was successful. You can then view the transaction details in Google Pay or in your Affirm account, where your repayment schedule applies as usual. One important note, you can't use an Affirm virtual card at merchants that sell goods or services prohibited by Affirm's terms of service, such as firearms and alcohol. If you encounter a decline at checkout, verify the merchant category and confirm your virtual card is still valid and selected in Google Pay. That's it. You're ready to tap and go with Affirm in Google Pay.